Namaste to all dear Warrior Science students. Here I am with the another video relating to bill-wise details maintaining against reference. Out of four, uh, either new reference, against reference, on account and advance, one will come in the exam. So and all students are waiting for these notes. As I said, I promise you all, रात में पूरे बैठ के मैंने ट्राई किए और ये थोड़े ये जो स्क्रीन्स है ना, इफ़ आई एम सेंडिंग दी वर्ड फाइल दे आर मूविंग हियर एंड देयर, तो इसको पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए टाइम लगा मुझे बिकॉज I don't have laptop to get it in the evening. I got it. So let us do how to solve this one. Okay. What do you mean by against reference? Explain with an example. Okay. This is also one of the important question. Against reference is another method of adjustments which is selected to set off payments or while paying. Okay. When we are paying or receiving, we will use the against reference generally. Okay, when we receive amount or when we pay amount, and when we know particularly against which bill we are receiving, against the previous references that made marked as new reference. It is also selected for pending bills when receive the payments from the sundry debtors or when we पे टू आवर सनरी क्रेडिटर्स. ओके, ये थोड़ा इसके लिए इंफॉर्मेशन लिख देना. एग्जाम्पल. ओके, हियर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग एग्जाम्पल. यूनिवर्सल ट्रेडर्स मेकिंग पेमेंट फॉर परचेजेस मेड फ्रॉम द लैपटेक अगेंस्ट द परचेज बिल नंबर LTC 11 रुपीज़ 20,000. ओके, तो ये कैसे करना है यहाँ पे देखेंगे. सी स्टेप 1, रिकॉर्डिंग payment transaction using the against reference bill wise details maintaining. Go to gateway of tally accounting vouchers, press F5 payment voucher. Okay, note required ledger accounts have already created while recording the purchase transaction. ये बात बता देना आप. Okay, whatever laptech ledger account and inventories, all these have been already created. That is what we need to tell. Okay. Next, step 2. Enter the required details in appropriate fields such as in date column, date 1st April 2020, and ledger account we need to select bank account like this. Then in step 3, select the supplier or creditor whom we are making payment. In this example we are taking Laptech Limited. Press enter. Okay, then you will get next step. Record the amount, not he. Record the amount rupees 20,000 and press enter button. Following billwise screen will appear. In this billwise screen you can see here. Okay, select the type of reference, against reference, that's it. Okay, this you need to draw. Next step, this screen also you need to draw only if you get only against reference question. Okay, step 5, select the appropriate pending bill number LTC against which payment is made. Okay, and method of reference as against reference. See here we need to select against reference. Okay, name, date, balance, etc. will appear. This is LTC 11. This you need to select. Okay, after that record, enter, press enter, and record the narration. Press enter button till we get accept dialog box, or press Ctrl A to save the details. Payment transaction will get recorded, which is shown below. Here you can see payment screen. Okay, payment voucher screen which will appear is shown below. Okay, accounting vouchers, accounting voucher creation, universal traders. Okay, payment, here you need to write bank account. Okay, and date, Laptech Limited, amount, against reference, this you don't this you need to compulsorily write and press yes, that's it. Okay, this is how we need to do. So hope you have understood. These three screens only you draw. This much answer is enough if you get a question relating to against reference. Okay, so लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सबको ये वीडियो पहुंचा दो. जय हिंद.